Welcome back. Part 2 video. We're working on solving this word problem, and we were breaking down the facts. And I kind of cheated there. I cheated you just a little bit by telling you what type of word problem that this was. It's a system of equations type of word problem. And so right now I wanted to go over and introduce some of the facts. Things you need to know, things you don't need to know. Listen, at the very beginning of that problem, it tells you there's 125 seats in that movie theater. Is that important? Do you need to know how many seats are in the movie theater? No. You do not need, it's not needed to know in order to answer the question, right? It's what's called a distractor, right? They're going to distract you by throwing in a number. And if you don't know that number is not important, then it could make things kind of confusing, right? So follow along with me. I've highlighted in the question. If you need to go back to part 1 and read that question over and over and over again, I've highlighted certain sections. I've color coordinated them to show you the segments or the paragraphs, sentences that are important. Okay, so 73 tickets in total were sold for the 11:30 a.m. show for both adult and child tickets, right? So if you add up all of the adult and you add up all of the child tickets sold, you will end up with 73 total tickets sold for that 11:30 a.m. show. This is going to be our original equation number 1. Remember, in system of equation, I've created a ton of videos on system of equations. Check out my Red App playlist. I have 38 videos or 36 videos uploaded explaining step by step how to set these up. And the most important part is to organize. You got to stay organized, right? So again, adult tickets A plus child tickets C, total tickets, adult and children tickets sold were 73 total tickets. Hey, that's our original equation number 1. Okay, and as a test-taking strategy, I didn't create this second method to solve this particular problem, but you know how A, B, and C options in part 1 video, they give you values for adult tickets. They give you values for children tickets. Well, if you were able to come up with this first equation, adult tickets plus children tickets equals 73 tickets sold, you could substitute those values. Answer A or answer B or answer C options. And if A, adult tickets plus C, children's tickets, if they add up to be 73, 73 equals 73 checks to be true, and you're short on time for this assessment or exam, you could guess that answer most likely will be correct. Okay, most likely will be correct. So that's a method you can use. If that doesn't make sense to you, go back, watch my test question videos on system of equations. I show you 2 methods how to answer. I'm not going to go over the second method in this particular set of videos. I'm just going to show you how to create the equations, how to solve, and how to check your answers. All right, so let's go ahead. We've created equation number 1. Let's use that information from the part 1 video, the introduction to the test question problem, and let's create an original equation number 2. Let's get to it. All right, and looking over the rest of the test question, in red, I had written adult tickets sold were 5 less than twice the child tickets sold. So let's read this again a little bit slower. So the adult tickets, A, adult tickets sold, A, is going to be equal to 5 less than twice. Twice is a fancy way of just saying 2 times the child tickets sold. Can you create an equation based upon this information? Again, adult tickets sold are going to equal 5 less than twice or 2 times the child tickets sold. Give it a shot. I'm going to pause the video. You should pause the video too. See if you can create an equation number 2, original equation number 2. All right, so adult, I have it down here, adult tickets are going to equal twice or 2 times the child tickets that were sold minus 5, right? That represents the 5 less is the minus 5. So if you have adult equals 2 times the child tickets minus 5, you were spot on. Let's simplify this just a little bit further to make it look more algebraic. Okay, so I want you to see here how adult, or A, equals 2 times child, or child tickets, or 2 times C, minus 5, 5. So if you leave it in this form, you absolutely can. You just need to substitute the adult value of a ticket and the child value of a ticket, and understand this means 2 times, right? Or you can put it in this form, which is what I will use, and I'm going to call that my original equation number 2, right? So I have my original equation number 1, my original equation number 2, and now I can use either elimination method or substitution method to solve it. If that doesn't sound familiar, go ahead and watch some of my other videos on system of equations. It will clarify and clear up a lot of things. So again, you could substitute options A, B, or C answers for adult tickets here. Set it equal to 2 times the children tickets. If the left side equals the right side, that's your option A, B, or C answer for this test question. Again, I'm not going to go over and show that. I'm going to solve using substitution method. So join me for part 3 video. I'm going to show you step by step how to use the substitution method of system of equations in order to solve and find out exactly how many adult and exactly how many children tickets were sold. Math is easy to take step by step. Join me in that part 3 video. If I've helped you, please help me to help others. Like, follow, share, subscribe. Thank you for your time.